So let's start the chapter number 16 with Guru Pranam Mantra. Om Agyanam Timirandhasya Jnanam Janashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manoabhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yatapadakamlam Shri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Shagrajatam Shagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadavaitam Savadutam Parijan Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Dev Shri Radha Krishna Padan Shagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vitam Cha Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatate Starine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivashadi Gaur Bhaktivedanta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So the teachings is based on the teachings of His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. We cover humble obeisances unto His feet so that His teachings of Bhagavad Gita we can apply in our life. So let's summarize the chapters which we have learned till now. So then in chapter number 15 we have we have learned that there is need for detachment from this material world. How to get detached is to attach to Krishna. Okay, how to get detached? First we have to attach to Krishna. Then automatically will naturally will become detached from the material world. 3 Shloki Gita to attain Krishna. So Purushottam Yoga we have ultimate confidential knowledge that one should be engaged in the devotional service. That is the essence of the Vedanta Sutra. 2 things we have read. The extra roots were there in the banyan tree, and those were compared to the auspicious and inauspicious activity, pious and impious activity of the living entity. Okay. Now, Krishna will explain divine and demoniac quality in chapter number 16. Divine and demoniac quality and activity, and their advantages and disadvantages. So Krishna will be describing the divine quality and the demoniac quality in this chapter. Why we should know the divine quality and demoniac quality. Okay. So Krishna tells why it is needed to know the divine quality and demoniac quality. So Krishna lists qualities of the saintly people and the demoniac people. Okay. Saintly people and the demoniac people, Krishna is describing the quality. Now Krishna also describes why it is needed, because saintly qualities will lead to liberation. Okay. Saintly quality leads to liberation. Okay. And the demoniac quality leads to bondage. Okay. You will be here only in the material world only when you have demoniac quality, and you will be degrading yourself to the lower down species. Okay. So that is the demoniac quality which lead to bondage. The divine quality or the saintly quality will lead to liberation. Okay. That is in the 16.4 and the 16.5. That is why this divine quality and demoniac quality is needed to be known. Okay. Because divine quality will lead to liberation, demoniac quality will lead to bondage. Okay. So today's chapter mnemonic, dog, D-O-G, dog. First is divine or demoniac quality, 1 to 6. Then options and outlooks of the demon. Okay, so many demoniac kind of people are there outside. So how we can know what is their opinion and what is their outlook, how their demons look, what is their opinion. We'll look after those things. In the second part, that is from sloka 7 to 20, that is opinion and the outlook of the demons. And then gates to hell. Sure short gates to hell. If you are following those 3, we'll go to the hell. Okay. So sloka number 21 to 24. So small chapter, only 24 sloka. Okay. So divine and demoniac quality is there. To differentiate between the divine people and the demoniac people. That was the one thing. But there is one more differentiator. Okay. What is that differentiator? The biggest differentiator between the divine and demoniac, apart from one's behavior, is adherence to Shastra. adherence to Shastra. A person who is following Shastra can be called as divine. A person which against the Shastra can be called as demoniac. Okay? That is the biggest differentiator apart from one's behavior. So Krishna will be describing the qualities, divine qualities and the demoniac quality. Apart from the divine and demoniac quality, there is one also difference, the biggest difference between the divine people and demoniac people. That divine people will adhere to Shastra, what the Shastra says, and the demoniac people won't adhere to Shastra. Okay. So now Krishna is listing from the sloka one, sloka number 1 to 3. Okay, the qualities of the divine and demonic people. Daivi Prakriti. So it is showing the Daivi Prakriti. So these are the Daivi Prakriti things. Okay. So let's try to understand what are the qualities. Okay. Fearlessness. Okay. Fearlessness. How does the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita give you fearlessness? Can you tell me the chat box? You are in 16th chapter now. So most of the chapters you have finished. Most of the summary of Gita you have knowledge you have now. Okay. Can you tell me how the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita can give you fearlessness? What is there in Bhagavad Gita that can give you fearlessness? Yes, in the chat box, please answer. Or you can raise hand. One hand, you can take 1 or 2 hands. One answer has come. Trust on Supreme Lord. Okay. Trust on Supreme Lord. Because we have trust, so we can become fearless because God is there to protect us. Okay. If we don't rely on fruits of our karma, detachment from the results, we are detached from the results. We know that our job is only to do karma. The result doesn't depend on us. Okay. There are more than one doer. I am not only the doer. Okay. Two more doers are there. So whatever result is there, that is not our outlook. That God will look after. Okay. My work is to do work. Okay. Krishna is there to guard his devotee. Yes, Krishna is there to guard his devotee. Krishna already described that you are not this body or soul. Okay. And you already know that no one can harm the soul. No one can harm the soul. Okay. Anyone can harm the body. Anyone can harm the body. Even the animals can harm your body. Okay. But soul, no one can do any harm. Okay. That is what gives us fearlessness. Okay. Purifications of one existence. Okay. When we are living in this body, our aim should be to purify ourselves. Okay. Purify ourselves and then dedicate ourselves to Lord. Purifications of one existence. That is the quality. Cultivation of spiritual knowledge is also a quality. We should also cultivate the spiritual knowledge. Besides the material knowledge, we are reading day and night material knowledge. So many information we are getting from all over the world, from the internet, from the book, from the TV, from the news. So many information, useless information also we are getting. The more information we are getting, more confused we are. Okay. And the knowledge which is more important is the spiritual knowledge. We don't have time for the spiritual knowledge cultivation. Okay, so that is one quality which is needed. The cultivation of spiritual knowledge is also divine quality. Charity. We should also give charity. Okay, but whom to give charity? What are the modes of the charity? The charity also can be the divine. It can be in goodness, passion, ignorance. Okay, charity given to a person who is engaged in the propagation of Krishna consciousness. Okay, that can be the best charity. Everyone should be engaged in the charity. That is a divine quality. When we are engaged in charity, then we can detach ourselves from the money. Okay? We can see that money. We have already seen in chapter number 12, Krishna was giving different options for the devotion. And the third option was Niskam Karma Yoga, and fourth option was Sakam Karma Yoga. Third option, you work for me. Whatever work you are doing, you do it for me. Whatever result you are getting, give the result to me. That is Niskam Karma Yoga. And then comes the Sakam Karma Yoga. Sakam Karma Yoga means engage in the welfare activity. Okay. And give the results. give up the results. So that was the fourth sakam karma. Okay, so give up the results. So when you are giving up the results, whatever results you are getting, whatever work you are doing, you are getting the money. You can give that money in the charity. So that can be the one divine quality. Self-control, performance of sacrifices, study of Vedas, simplicity, non-violence. Okay. Every time I describe this term non-violence, what is the meaning of non-violence? So just before describing, I ask all the people, what is the meaning of non-violence? You know, okay. Can you tell me in the chat box, what is the meaning of non-violence? Yes. What is the meaning of non-violence? You can raise the hand, you can put in the chat box. One answer has come, without hurting others, we should do our work. Okay. Without hurting others, we should do our work. Okay, nice answer. Being composed to everyone, compassionate, being compassionate to everyone. Okay, composed, compassionate. No harms to other, no harm. Okay. First, to maintain the calmness inside you. Okay. First, to maintain the calmness inside you is non-violence. Okay. Not harming or hurting others, spreading the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Ahimsa, be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Ahimsa. Okay. Any other answer? One answer. Not engage in fights and loving all. Okay. Not engaging in fights and loving all. Okay. One more answer and then I'll just wait. Yes. Any other answer? Okay. Let me just write. So many people here, all of you are correct on this. They are saying that so Rupa Mataji is very, very near. Okay. So first level of non-violence is there. Okay, where the people are not hurting others. Okay, so many people are there who are having non-vegetarian eating. Okay, and many people are there who are even not killing anyone. Okay, not anyone. Okay, so that is you can say as level one of non-violence, means not killing anyone, having compassion for all the living. So not killing anyone, that is the level one of the ahimsa, of the non-violence. Higher than this is not even hurting bodily, not even hurting them by thought also, by doing by words also. Okay, so we should not hurt any other person by our thought, our language, our speech. So that can be called as level 2. But for a devotee non-violence is still somewhat higher. What is that higher level? So let me give you an example so that you can understand. Okay, so one person is drowning in water. Okay, one person is drowning in water, and you are there. You know how to save that person. You know how to swim, and you can save that person. Okay, but you are not saving that person. Is it a kind of non-violence? Is it a kind of violence? You know how to save that person, but still you are not saving. Is it a kind of violence? Yes or no? Y or N? Is it a kind of violence that you know how to save that person and still you are not saving? Is it a kind of violence or not? Yes, it's still, because it is a kind of non-violence. It is a kind of violence. Okay, so for a devotee, he know that every person in this world is in distress. Every person is in this is bewildered. He is not able to decide what to do and what not to do, and they are engaged in many different things. Sometimes wrong things, sometimes correct things. Okay, wrong way they are going. Okay, and a devotee know what is the way to get out of this distress. That is Krishna. If we get this knowledge of Krishna to everyone, everyone can be saved. They can be saved. Okay, everyone is in distress, and we know the method to to save them. Okay. So for a devotee, even preaching the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita is also kind of non-violence. Okay. So this is the principle of non-violence a devotee follows. Okay. To preach this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita to the people, to all the people, because all the people are in distress. Okay. So that is the meaning of non-violence for a devotee. Freedom from anger, compassion for all the living entity, steady determination, forgiveness, cleanliness, freedom from envy. Okay. So these are the quality, divine quality which Krishna describes. Quality required for a devotee to progress in the spiritual understanding belongs to godly men endowed with the divine nature. These are the quality of the divine people. Basic principles, four basic dharmas. Okay. Austerity, cleanliness, truthfulness, compassion. Four pillars of dharma upon which the dharma will stand. Four pillars of dharma. Okay. Austerity. So if you are doing intoxication, austerity is lost. No intoxication is austerity. Cleanliness, illicit relation, cleanliness is lost. No illicit relationship, there is cleanliness. That is the meaning of cleanliness. Compassion, no meat eating is compassion. We are not killing any animal. Okay. Truthfulness, no gambling. Truthfulness. So these are the four pillars of dharma, basic pillars of dharma. Now, the royal roads to hell. What are the royal roads to hell? Now, the demoniac qualities. Okay. Dambho darpo abhimanascha rodhasparusham cha ajnanam abhijatasya partha sampadamasurim. Krishna says, pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance. These qualities belong to those of demoniac nature, O son of Pritha. So these are the six qualities which belongs to the demonic people: pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance. So these are the six qualities which belongs to demoniac people. Ignorance. Many people say that we are ignorant that this is a sin. Okay, this is not against the Shastra. We are ignorant and we are doing that. Is it? Is it? So will be getting the results of this bad activity? We are ignorant and we were doing. Okay, no. Nature's law is same for all, even you are ignorant or not. Okay, so just like a child, if a child puts his hand to a electric current, okay, then he will certainly get the current. It is not like that he won't get the current, even if he is ignorant. Okay, so that is the nature of law. Even if you are ignorant, you will get the result of sinful activity. Pride, arrogance, conceit, abhimana, anger, harshness. Okay, so these are the six qualities which are called grossly inauspicious, or the bad quality which will lead to a down standard. Okay, leads to bondage in this material world. So we already know that these six qualities will lead to bondage in this material world, and the divine quality will lead to liberation. Okay, so first that only first page only we have read that. Okay, now you have to choose which one is divine, which one is demoniac. So first one first. Okay, so this person is in road and this person is helping this person. Okay, so this person is helping. Is it divine or demoniac? Divine, demoniac. Divine. This person is burning the property of the government. Okay, property of the people, and see the car, bus, and he is very happy burning. Is it divine or demoniac? Demoniac. Okay, everyone understand that this is demoniac. Okay, so let's try to understand this chapter. So we have two types of quality, that is divine quality and demoniac quality. Krishna describes that these are the quality of divine people, these are the quality of demonic people. Now we have understood that these are the qualities on divine side, and the other side is demonic side. Okay. So Krishna says in chapter number 4, Ye yathamam prapadyante, means as you approach me, I will reward you accordingly. Okay. So how you approach Krishna, that Krishna will reward you accordingly. It is like that. Okay. So if you want Krishna to give you the divine quality, Krishna will give you the divine quality. If you want from Krishna the demoniac quality, Krishna will give you the demoniac quality. Krishna is very kind. Krishna is very like neutral. Okay. Whatever way you are approaching to Krishna, Krishna will reward you accordingly. So if you are developing the divine quality, Krishna will okay. Krishna will say, okay, you take the divine quality. If you are trying endeavoring for the demoniac quality, Krishna will give you, okay, you take the demoniac quality. It depends on us which category we are choosing. Okay. Krishna gives us minute freedom. Krishna gives us the independence, minute independence. Okay. And we have to choose between the divine quality and the demonic quality based on that independence. Based on the free will, we need to choose between the divine quality and demonic quality. Many person will be choosing the divine quality, many person will be choosing the demonic quality. They do not know that these are the divine quality, these are the demonic quality. So Krishna is giving you the intelligence also. Krishna is giving you the intelligence in form of chapters of Bhagavad Gita, in form of Bhagavatam, in form of Shastra, in form of Vedas. Okay, Krishna is giving you the knowledge also. Okay. So first of all, Krishna gives us free will. Second, to correctly choose between the free will of the divine and demonic quality, Krishna also gives the intelligence also. Okay. But some person are not attracted to that intelligence. Some person will follow the Shastra, some person will go against the Shastra. They won't read also, they will be against the Shastra only. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay. That is the thing. So to correctly utilize that independence, we need to have intelligence, and to correctly have the correct intelligence, we need to read Shastra. We need to associate with the devotee. Okay? Unless and until we are associating with the devotee, we won't be knowing what is correct, what is wrong. Unless and until we are reading Shastra, we won't be knowing what is correct and wrong. Okay? So that is the thing. That is the main point. That to choose within the divine and demonic quality, we need to have association, we need to have reading of Bhagavad Gita, we need to have the knowledge of Shastra. Okay, so that is the thing. So between the divine and demonic quality, how you can develop the divine quality? The answer is associate with the people who have the divine quality. Associate. Okay, reading of the Bhagavad Gita, reading of the Bhagavatam. Chant the name of the Lord. Chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Associate yourself with the Lord. Automatically the divine quality will develop. Okay. So that is the way to develop the divine quality. Now Arjuna's doubt. Is my desire to win this war due to demonic temperament? So this is in war and I'm going to fight here. So is it divine or demonic? Arjuna is thinking. So Krishna encouraged Arjuna that he is born of saintly quality and his fighting is not demonic. Arjuna, you are fighting for me. Okay. And you are my instrument in the fighting. You have just already killed all the people. You are just my instrument in the fighting. Okay. So don't fear. You are born of divine quality and you are not doing any demonic thing. Okay. Two kinds of being. So now Krishna is describing the outlooks. Okay. O son of Pritha, in this world there are two kinds of created being. One is called the divine, another is called demoniac. I have already explained to you at length the divine quality. Now hear from me the demoniac. So Krishna has already explained the divine quality. Now Krishna is going to explain the demoniac qualities. Okay. Let's see what exactly are the opinion and outlook of such demons. The second part, we're starting. D was the divine and demonic. O is the opinion and outlooks of such demons. So we are starting the second part. Demoniac behavior. Is there anyone who wants to read the qualities that is written in the screen? You can raise the hand. I will unmute so that you can read. Yeah, if anyone want to read, you can raise the hand. Okay, no one. So I'll leave. No problem. Okay, so those Deva Mataji has raised hand. Let's unmute Prema Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Shall I read?
Yes, Mataji. Please read.
Yeah. Those who are demonic do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Neither cleanliness nor proper behavior nor truth is found in them.
Okay. So 16.7 is saying that demonic quality. So these are the demonic behavior. They do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. They do not know the Shastra. They do not know, they don't have the knowledge that what is correct, what is wrong. So they do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Neither cleanliness nor the proper behavior nor the truth is found in them. So these are the demonic behavior. Yes, Mata, 16.8.
Yeah. They say that this world is unreal, with no foundation, no God in control. They say it is produced of sex, desire, and has no cause other than lust.
Okay, so they think this world as full of lust only. So just satisfy their lust, this world is being made. What they think, okay? And this world is not. This world is unreal. Okay, with no foundation, no basic foundation, no backbone is there. Whatever happening is just happening without a cause. Okay, anything can happen without a cause. Okay, random thing are happening. This is what they want to think. Okay, whatever they are doing, they are thinking whatever wrong work I'm doing, I won't get the result. Okay, and whatever good thing I'm doing, I'm not getting the result. Okay, so that is what they think. Whatever wrong work I'm doing, I won't get the result. That is what they think. No foundation, no backbone, no God is control, no God in control. Okay, and they say it is for produce of the sex desire. Only to fulfill the sex desire, this world is being made. Okay. Attitude and engagement. Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Attitude. The demonics are lost to themselves, illusioned, and have no intelligence.
So they are
Engage,
lost to themselves. Okay, attitude is lost to themselves. So they are illusion, no intelligence. Okay, engagements, Mataji.
engagements. Engage in unbeneficial, horrible work meant to destroy the world.
Okay, so they are engaged in unbeneficial, horrible work meant to destroy the world. So many war is going on. Country has become nuclear power. They have nuclear weapons. Nuclear energy can be used for lighting our house for the energy purposes, and it can be also used to destroy our nation. Okay, it can be just used to destroy our nation. So many people ask, okay, this science is developing too fast. Science is so much developing, so much development is there in science. Okay, and you still are talking of the spirituality. Is it relevant? We have developed so much ourselves. Okay, so much development we have made, and we are still talking of spirituality. Okay, young people mainly the youth, misdirected youth, they will think like that. Okay, oh man, you are so retard, backward. Okay, like that they will think. So that is the thinking they have. But okay, the science is developing too much. Science is making so many things, but still, if the mind is not in control, proper utilization cannot be done. Just like you have made one machine gun, you have made one nuclear power, and you are giving it to some monkey. Okay, you have made a machine gun, powerful machine gun which can destroy the world, and you are giving to a monkey. What will the monkey do? Can you answer what the monkey can do with that machine gun? Answer is very simple. Machine gun. What monkey will do with the machine gun? Yes. Anyone? Mataji, can you answer? Can
Yeah,
the machine?
he'll fire anywhere without.
Yeah. Yeah. Distraction.
Hmm.
All the other thing will be distracted, just like what is going on now. Okay. Everyone is having the demonic quality. Mentality is demonic mentality. Okay. If you see outside world, every person has demonic mentality, and that is so powerful nowadays that everywhere we see the demonic mentality. And science is developing, and science is making many things which can destroy our world. Okay, we have seen many things. Okay, many things which has been made and not properly utilized, and that is causing the danger to this nature, danger to the human society, dangers to the other animals, dangers to the environment. Okay, so many things we have made, and it is creating destruction in the environment. So many things are there. So to control that, we need to control the mind. Okay? Mind control spirituality will all over control, not only the mind, other things also, everything. Okay, that is the main benefit, and that is the required in nowadays. Okay, actually it is required everyone because it's the manual of life. But generally, young people have this concept that science has developed so much. What you people are doing like that? Okay. This is the answer for that. Next, Mataji,
Yeah.
activities. What activity they are engaged in?
Activities: taking shelter of insatiable lust and absorbed in the conceit of pride and false prestige. The demonic, thus illusioned, are always sown to unclean work, attracted by the impermanent.
Impermanent. So they are attracted by impermanent, temporary. This result in this world are temporary. Whatever result they are getting in this world are temporary. Whether it is money, whether it is happiness, whatever it is there in this world, everything is temporary here. Okay. So they are attracted by temporary. The aim here for them is temporary only. They are attracted to the unclean work, sinful activity they are doing. Okay. Conceit of pride and false prestige. They are absorbed in the pride and the false prestige. That is what. And taking shelter of insatiable lust. So, insatiable lust. Lust cannot be satisfied. So many desires they have, it cannot be satisfied. And they are taking shelter. They are trying to fulfill that. And they are unable to do that. Okay. Never ending desires, Mataji, activities.
Yeah. They believe that to gratify the senses is the prime necessity of human civilization. Thus, until the end of life, their anxiety is immeasurable, bound by a network of hundreds of thousands of desires and absorbed in lust and anger. They secure money by illegal means for sense gratification.
Okay. So that is the purpose. There are so many desires, and they can do anything to fulfill their desires. Okay. Demonic mentality. No, never ending desires.
Okay. The demonic person thinks, so much wealth do I have today, and I will gain more according to my schemes. So much is mine now, and it will increase in the future, more and more. He is my enemy, and I have killed him, and my other enemies will also be killed. I am the Lord of everything. I am the enjoyer. I am perfect, powerful, and happy. I am the richest man, surrounded by aristocratic relatives. There is none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices, I shall give some charity, and thus I shall rejoice. In this way, such persons are deluded by ignorance.
Okay. So the demonic person are thinking, I'm very wealthy. So much wealth I have, but I'm not satisfied. I want more wealth. Okay. And they will devise many schemes how they can have much wealth, more wealth, more wealth, more wealth, more money. Okay. And it will increase. They are thinking this much is mine, now it will increase in future. This person is my enemy, this person is against me. I will kill that person. I will kill him, and other enemies also will kill. There won't be any enemy of mine in this world. That is what they think. Everyone will be under me. That is what they're thinking. I will be lording everything. I am very perfect. I am very powerful. I am very happy. I am surrounded by aristocratic family. I have so much money. So okay. I have so much money. So what I will do? I will give some charity, so that then with the charity I shall rejoice. I will get punya karma. Then I will rejoice. That is what they think. Okay, ignorance, total ignorance. Next. So, Mataji, now, very thankful, Mataji. So, you have read
Okay.
very nicely. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
So, how one turns into the demoniac life? How one turns? So, first thing, it is abhijatasya. First is abhijatasya. The person is born of the demoniac quality. So, demoniac quality existing right from the womb of their mother. Okay. From the womb only they are getting the demoniac quality. That means the divine quality also we are getting from the womb. When a person is there, when a person is there in the womb, and a mother is engaged in reading Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, taking shelter of Krishna, then from there only he is getting the divine quality. If a person is doing, watching some kind of uh, demoniac quality thing, demoniac things, okay, then the person is getting that mentality from there only. And according to the karma, he is being given the womb also. Okay, so whatever karma we have, that is deciding about the quality from the right from the womb. Okay, So demonic quality also existing in us from the womb. Okay. These quality and philosophy breeds the demonic mentality. So these quality person have from the birth, from the womb only, and these quality will breed the demonic mentality. And this demonic mentality will lead to demonic activity, and then demonic activity will lead to demonic result. So this is how a person goes into demonic thing. Okay. Activity and consequences. Those who are envious and mischievous, who are the lowest among the men, I perpetuate into the various demonic spaces of life. So let's try to understand this concept, very important concept. When we have the demonic quality, what will happen to us? Okay, what will happen to us? So if we have the demonic quality, in the next life we'll take birth among the demons, birth among the people who are having the demonic quality, birth among the species who are having the demonic quality. Okay. After that, if we are taking birth in them between them, we will become more demoniac. Our quality will become more demoniac, and this thing will again happen in the next birth, and we'll perpetually going down and down, down and down, down and down to the lowermost species. Okay, lowermost species, because we're taking birth among the demonic people, and the demonic people are increasing our the demonic quality, and we're taking birth again more demonic people. Okay, so that is what is happening. We are doing the wrong work. Our mentality is changing, and we are getting down and down, down and down in this nature. Okay, in this material world. That is what happens. Then Krishna describes attaining repeated birth amongst the species of demoniac life. O son of Kunti, such person can never approach me. They cannot approach Krishna because they don't have the divine quality now. They are not even even listening to the divine quality. Even if they are listening, they won't believe because their mentality, everything has changed. They become demonic now. Okay, such person can never approach me. Gradually, they sink down to the most abominable type of existence, lowest kind of existence. They will be sinking down. Okay, so that is what is happening to those persons. Okay, demonic quality person. Okay, so thinking now, Krishna Arjuna is pondering how do we get free from the demonic quality. So three gates of hell are there. If we're avoiding these three gates, we can develop the divine quality. Okay. So first thing is we should avoid the gates of hell. So what are the three gates? If we're avoiding the three gates, then the demonic quality also we can avoid. And if we're avoiding the three gates and we are engaging ourselves in the devotional service, we will be progressing in the in the devotional life. Okay. So let's read the sloka. What are the three gates of hell and what we need to avoid? त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः काम क्रोध तथा लोभस्तस्मादेतं त्रयं त्यजेत्. Okay, you should leave, you should give up these three gates. Trividam narakashyedam. So naraka is the hell. So three are the gates of the hell. Okay, narakas dwaram. Okay, narakashyedam dwaram. Nashanam Atmana, they are the soul. Okay, degrading the quality of the soul. Okay, Trividam Narkashedam Dwaram Nashnam Atmana Kama Krodha Tatha Lobhash. So Kama or the lust, Krodha or the anger, Lobha or the greed. These three are the gates of hell. So we should avoid these three gates. If we are avoiding the lust, if we are avoiding the danger, anger, if we are avoiding the greed, and if we are escaping the three gates and we are performing the activity which are conducing to the self-realization, then we'll gradually attain the supreme destination. This is what Krishna says. The man who has escaped these three gates of hell, O son of Kunti, performs act conducive to the self-realization. If you have escaped the three gates, first we should know that these are the three gates which will lead to hell, and then we can engage ourselves in the activity which are conducive for the self-realization, and thus gradually attains the supreme destination. Okay. What are the activity for conducive for the self-realization? Association. Again, association. Associate with the people who are self-realized. Bhagavad Gita reading, Bhagavatam reading. When you are continuously reading Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, you are in the association of Lord. You are in the association of Lord's devotees. Okay. Then automatically your quality will develop and you will be away from the kama, krodha, lobha. Okay. Reading, chanting. When you are chanting, you are directly associating with the Lord. So these are the things. These are the basic principles. Conducive activity, conducive for the self-relation. Scriptures are the key to liberation. Okay. Scriptures are the key to liberation. Yah shastra vidim utsarja vartate kamakarata nasha siddhim avapnoti na sukham na param gatim. Yah shastra vidim utsarja. Utsarja means leaving against one who is discarding the shastra vidim. Shastra vidim is who is against the shastra, who is doing the work against the shastra. What happens to them? Nasa siddhim avapnoti. They won't attain the siddhi, they won't attain the perfection of this life. Na sukham, they won't attain the happiness, the sukha. And na param gatim, they won't attain the supreme destination, the Krishna. Supreme destination is Krishna. So a person who is against Utsarja Shastra Vidim, who is against the Shastra, who is against the Vedic injunction, and they are acting according to their own whims. Okay, what happens to them? Na siddhim avapnoti, they won't get siddhim. Na sukham, no happiness, nor the supreme destination, nor the param gatim. Okay, so that happens to the people who are against the Vedic injunction, against the Vedas. But a person who is following the Veda, what happens to them? Tasma shastram paramam parmanam te karya akarya vyavastitau yatva shastram vidhanoktam karma kartum irhashi. One should therefore understand what is the duty and what is not duty. How? By regulations of the scriptures, by reading the scriptures, what is written in the scriptures. Knowing such rules and regulations, one should act so that he may gradually be elevated. Okay. First he should know. First he should read the scripture. First he should know. Then after knowing, he should act according to that injunction, and he should gradually elevate himself. Okay. So that is the way. First is we should read. These are the activity related in the devotional service. Honoring prasadam, we are giving prasad, we are offering prasadam to Krishna, then honoring prasadam after that. Reading scriptures, deity worship. So this person is worshipping the deities, small deity. Kirtan, chanting, devotional service. Kirtan, chanting, see the face, happy, 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 happy faces. Chant and be happy. When you are chanting, you become happy. But what is the age to start the devotional service? When is the time to start the devotional life? Okay. This stage inside the womb. Okay. We are inside the womb in the fetal stage. When a person, when a baby is there inside the womb, that is called a fetus. When we are born, that is called a newborn. When we are growing, that is called a toddler age. School going age, toddler age, school going age. Okay. Then working age, money earning age, later old age, then wheelchair bound, then that. What is the age to start a devotional life? Can you tell me what is the age to start a devotional life? Just in the chat box. What is the age? What is the time to start the devotional life? What is the time? Time. Answers we are getting from the very beginning. We don't know when is our last breath, so earlier is better. Beginning from the very beginning. Okay. Any other answers? Many people are there. Answer is very simple. You should start answering the day you realize. Okay. Anytime when you realize. Okay. So answer I am giving. This is my answer coming in your chat box. Okay. So I'm sending you my answer in the chat box. Okay. So the answer is you should start doing devotional service from now. Okay. From now, this is the time to start a devotional service. Now is the time. Okay. Prahlad Maharaj started when he was in womb. Okay, we have already read the story of Prahlad Maharaj. So when Prahlad Maharaj, when Hiranyakashipu was there, his father Hiranyakashipu, he was doing many austerity. Okay, he was doing the austerity, and he was then the Devatas were very fearful. What is happening? He is doing so much austerity. He is doing so much austerity, and what he want to gain also the Devatas were knowing. Okay, so what happened? They came to the Kayadu and they captured the Kayadu. Kayadu was the mother or the mother of the Prahlad Maharaj, or wife of the Hiranyakashipu. They captured the Kayadu. Okay, and they captured and they took her with him, so, with them, so that when Prahlad is born, they thought that if that his father is so much demoniac, his son will be also a demoniac person. So better when he is coming out, we'll kill that person. We'll kill Prahlad. Okay, but Narad Muni stopped them. Okay, because the Narad Muni told them that the person who is coming out is a great devotee. Okay, he's a great devotee of Lord. He's not a demonic person which you are thinking. So now the Indra and all they left. Okay, and they didn't punish the Kayadu. So now Narad Maharaj started giving the lectures. Narad Maharaj started speaking the glories of Krishna to the Kayadu, and Prahlad Maharaj was listening in the home about the glories of Krishna, about the qualities of Krishna, and from there only he became a great devotee of Krishna. Okay, by listening to the listening to a great devotee, that is Narada. Narada is a great devotee of Lord, and he was listening to the Narada, and he became great devotee. Okay, so that was the time from when the devotional service started in the Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj started the devotional service from the womb itself. Okay, then his father sent him to the Gurukula for learning. Okay, he was giving the wrong answer according to the father. Father was asking, "Who is the most powerful person in this world?" Prahlad Maharaj was saying, "Krishna is the most powerful person in this world." When he was 4 year, 5 year like that, when he started speaking, and he can speak the words, sentences, then his father was asking, "Who is the most powerful person in the world?" Definitely, he wanted to hear his name, but Prahlad Maharaj was always telling the name of Krishna. Okay, so his father got very frustrated, very frustrated. Oh, a small kiddo, he's taking the Lord of my enemy. He's taking the name of Vishnu. He's taking the Lord of Krishna. Okay, so first what I will do is I will send him to the Gurukula. Okay, so he will go to the Gurukula, and the demoniac teachers, they will teach them the correct thing so that he will learn. Okay, so he sent him to Gurukula, and Gurukul. After 1 year, okay, he asked the teachers, okay, what happened? You have trained my child? You have trained my child or not? Okay, so now the teachers they are saying, it is very difficult to train this fellow. It is very difficult to train this small kiddo. He is so determined in the devotional service, and he is teaching the devotional service to other Gurukul boys also. Other Gurukul boys are also taking the Hare Krishna. They are started speaking the Hare Krishna mantra. Okay, so every time they are dancing they are doing kirtan, they are dancing in the ecstasy. They are very happy. Okay, that is what. And sometimes we also dance, and we also feel very enjoyed, very ecstasy. That is how we feel. Okay, so now the Hiranyakashipu were very angry. Okay, he called the Prahlad Maharaj. Okay, so you can see here he's teaching the other Gurukula boys, other demoniac kids, other demon kids about the Krishna, and they are also become devotee. They becoming devotee. Now he is very angry. He thought that only thing is left is to kill my child. No other way is left now. I have tried many things. No thing is left. Nothing is left. Now what I should do is kill this person. Kill this fellow. Okay. So he tried many things. Snakes, oil, and killing by the different swords. Okay, elephants, throwing from the top of the hill. Many things he tried, but Prahlad Maharaj escaped all. Okay, Prahlad Maharaj escaped all the things. Okay, at last he asked, okay, you say that your Lord is everywhere. He is protecting you. Is he here in this pillar? Huh? Yeah, and they destroyed the pillar, and from the pillar only the Narsimha Dev came out. Narsimha Devi came out, and now the fight between the Narsimha Dev and the Hiranyakashipu started. just like a cat and mouse. Okay, cat and mouse. So Narsimdev killed Narsimdev killed Hiranyakashipu there. You can see Narsimdev is killing Hiranyakashipu. Okay? Effortlessly he killed the Hiranyakashipu. And you can see Prahlad Maharaj. He's garlanding. He's putting garland for the Narsimdev. Okay? That is how the devotion. And after that, Narsimdev asked, yesterday only I told you, Narsimdev asked Prahlad Maharaj, okay, you are so devoted to me. I killed your father in front of you, and you are so devoted to me. Ask me any benediction you want. Okay. Prahlad Maharaj said, only thing I want from you is I should never leave your Charan Kamal. I should never leave your the lotus feet. I want your lotus feet every day, every time. I do not want to leave the devotional service, the devotional life. So give me benediction that I do not fell down from this devotional life position. That is what is the most important thing Prahlad Maharaj thought and Prahlad Maharaj asked for. Okay? So that is what is most important for Prahlad Maharaj. Satya Yuga, Varade and Hiranyaksha were in different planet. Okay, Varade and Hiranyaksha were in different planet. This is the time of Satya Yuga. Then came the Treta Yuga. Ram and Ravana were in different countries. Different planet. First was a different planet. Now they are in different countries. Dwapar Yuga. Pandava and Kaurava were from the same family. Now they are born, taking birth in same family. What will happen in Kali Yuga? Can you tell in the chat box? What is going to happen in Kali Yuga? Yes, one answer we got. Same person. So divine and demonic quality within the same person in Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is there. Single person, divine quality, demonic quality. You cannot judge who is divine, who is demonic, Okay. So we have already Satyuga, Varade, Hiranyakashipu. Treta Yuga, Ram, Ravan. Dwapar Yuga, Pandava and Kaurava. Kali Yuga, humility, tolerance, all the qualities. The lust, greed and anger, the demonic quality, the same person. Kali Dharma, chanting the holy name. That is the Kali Dharma. That will bring all the divine quality within you. So that's why I encourage you all to chant. Chant the name, chant the holy name. We should develop this divine quality, not within us, not only within us, within all the whole family. All the family should chant. Okay. So when you are chanting, you can encourage your family. When you are chanting, your child will chant, your baby will chant, your husband will chant, others will chant only after you chant. Okay. So that is the thing. First, you should chant. First, you should take the initiative. Many people think what my family members will think if I'm chanting. That is not the correct way to the thing. Okay. Because if you are chanting, then only they will chant. Okay. So I'm just unmuting everyone. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Ram Ram
Hare.
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Rama,
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Hare,
Hare Hare.
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Ram,
Hare
Ram Ram,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Rama,
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Hare.
Yes. If you have any question, you can ask in the chat box. No question, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Any question there in your chat box? No question till now. Okay. How do we develop the divine qualities? Okay. Question has come. How do we develop the divine quality? I already answered this question during the discussion. How to develop? How to choose? So first we should know what is the divine quality, what is the demonic quality. So all the quality I was not able to discuss because it is so many qualities are there. So you can read, you can go through the chapter, you can read what is the quality, and Prabhupada describes all the qualities, about all the qualities. So first we should know about the divine and demonic quality, and then we should choose. How to choose? I already told you, we need to have intelligence to choose. Okay. First is we should know that what is divine, what is demonic. Second, we should have intelligence to choose between the divine and demonic. Okay. Intelligence to choose. And then how to develop that intelligence. To develop that intelligence, we should associate with the people who have the divine quality. We should associate with the devotee. We need to read the Shastra. We need to read Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam. We need to chant. Okay. Those things will develop the divine quality within us. Okay. That is the thing. That is the basis. Okay. So no question, Mataji. Maybe we can. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji. No questions, Prabhuji.
Okay, Mataji. So thank you, Mataji. One more.
One question, I think now. Demonic quality consists of only Rajo and Tamoguna or sometimes Sattva Guna.
First, I don't think there is any quality which is there in Sattva-guna. Okay, bad quality. Like first, I think Rajoguna and Tamoguna have the most of the demonic quality. I haven't seen any bad quality. Maybe I'm missing, but I don't think there is any bad quality in Sattva-guna. So first, a person should move to the Sattva-guna. Arrogance may be there in the Sattva-guna because they think that whatever thing I'm very happy like that. So maybe the arrogance is there. Maybe some qualities are there in the Sattva-guna also, the demonic quality. But from the Sattva-guna, we need to elevate ourselves to the Suddha Sattva-guna. Okay, so that is the thing. Since we are in Suddha Sattva-guna, no demonic quality. All quality become divine because we are associating with the divine person. We are associating with Krishna. So Sattva-guna also may have some demonic quality. But when we are in Suddha Sattva-guna, no demonic quality. Okay, because we are associating with Krishna, we are associating with the divine person. Okay. Okay, Mataji. I hope everyone got the answer. This
Yes,
chapter is
Prabhuji.
helpful in deciding what to do, what not to do. Many things we discussed during chapter, and so only 2 days are left. Okay, and after 2 days you will be promoted to level 2. But for going to level 2, there are 2 requisites. 2 requisites are there. What are the 2 requisites, Prabhuji? So you're asking what are the 2 requisites, Prabhuji? First requisite, you should have completed the 18 days, full 18 days chapters. After chapters completion, you will get a certificate. So you should have that certificate of completion of 18 days. Okay. So daily quizzes, after completing, you will get the certificate, and after the certificate, you can apply for the level 2. Second qualification, you should at least chant 1 round of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. When you are chanting, then we know that you are applying the teachings in your life. Okay. The only thing which I want from you people is to chant. Okay. 1 round of chanting. If you are chanting and if you are finishing the 18 days, you can go to the level 2. What are the things in level 2? I will describe in 18 chapter. After finishing all the chapters, I will describe what are the things there in the level 2. What are the options you have in level 2? So first you should complete the 18 days, and you have the quiz certificate. And second thing, you start chanting. You are doing regular 1 round of chanting. Okay, so that is the 2 requirements. If you don't have the mala, you can chant in the hand. If you are chanting in the hand, you can order for the mala also, so that the mala is there with you. You can start chanting. So that is the way we'll be going to the level 2. So can you anyone who is chanting and they have completed also the quizzes. Anyone is there can raise hand so that I can see. Yes, one Mataji is there. Lakshmi Priya Mataji. Sati Mataji. Yes, many people are there. Okay, so many people are there who has completed the chapter also, the quizzes also, and they are chanting also. So many people I'm seeing who are eligible for going to the level 2. If you are not chanting, start chanting now. If you are not complete the chapter, quickly finish it and all the chapters. Okay, so that you can have the certificate and you can go to the level 2. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. I'm just unmuting everyone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna. Yes.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Thank you, Prabhuji.